SDBOX Setting-Out Plan is not just a group of CAD commands. It is a structured workflow for preparing a clean, reliable setting-out drawing for construction work on site. Before points are exported to the instrument, the drawing must be checked, cleaned, organized, and prepared properly. Third-party DWG files can be reviewed, cleaned, and attached as refs. The existing survey plan can be simplified and converted into a clear base drawing for setting out. Survey stations, boundaries, property vertices, building corners, building limit lines, and checkpoints can be organized before the final construction points are created. This is important because setting out depends on preparation. A point may be correct, but if the drawing is crowded, if the codes are not readable, if the scale is wrong, or if unnecessary layers remain visible, the information may become difficult to use on site. The setting out plan workflow is organized into 5 clear tabs. The first tab prepares third-party drawings, such as architectural or structural DWG files, before they are used as refs. The second tab prepares the existing survey plan and keeps only the information needed for construction setting out. The third tab manages the reference framework, levels, survey stations, boundaries, building corners, building limit lines, and checkpoints. The fourth tab is where the actual set-out points are managed. Excavation corners, concrete wall points, column points, and other structural elements can be imported, exported, reviewed, and inserted into coordinate tables. The user can also check point codes one by one, adjust their position for clear printing, resize blocks, edit attributes, and review the related files. The fifth tab prepares the final output. The drawing view can be temporarily rotated for printing, a short title block can be inserted, and the final setting out plan can be printed or exported to PDF with the appropriate plot settings. With this workflow, SDBOX helps transform setting out from separate manual CAD actions into an organized, controlled, and repeatable process. The result is a cleaner drawing, clearer point information, reliable coordinate tables, better print output, and fewer chances for mistakes on site. From third-party drawings and survey reference points to exported set-out points and final PDF output, SDBOX helps the engineer prepare a professional setting-out plan, ready for construction work in the field.